up, y'all? I'm in the car. I'm tired. It's like 11 in the morning. I'm about to get this intake installed while I'm in Philly. I don't know what the hell's going on down there. Like a car accident or something. But I'm about to get this intake installed. That's in the back here. Hopefully you can still look at this under tray. I don't know what's going on with the undershield, but I'm about to get the intake installed real quick and see, you know, how it sounds and see if the performance is any better. Honestly, I don't really care because my intake that I have right now is like already cracked and messed up. So just get another intake. It doesn't matter. I don't care because I know they say if it's the short intake that you just breathing in the hot air from the engine and it's not really a cold air intake. But like the intake that I have right now, like the stock intake is like cracked and fucked up. So I might as well just get that anyway. You know what I'm saying? So it really don't matter. Also, I'm going to get the car tuned, so it really doesn't matter, you know what I'm saying? So, as long as I'm not losing any power, I guess it's cool, you know what I'm saying? So, we're going to see. I heard that it sounds a lot better coming from the engine, so, yeah, we'll see. I think it looks a lot better when you pop the hood, too. But I already bought it, so it's going on there. So, just keeping y'all updated on that. And the guy, this time, well, we still going in the trenches, but the guy I know is a good guy. He's gonna fix it. So I called him. I got his number. So I'm about to meet up with him now. And yeah, that's really it for real. But yeah, stay tuned. Like I said, I think I'm going to put my car in the shop for the wrap January 5th if I'm lucky. So stay tuned for that. New Year's, new beginnings, and this car is going to look like a whole different car. All right. They even gave me a license plate cover. Shout out to AEM. I don't think I'm going to use it though, but maybe. Get it. I don't know if I'm going to do it right now, today, or what. But I might. I might as well not spend no money on New Year's. Bullshitting around. I might as well get my car right. So yeah. Oh, I'm going. That's free. The old top off. The old top needed. I'm installed on my car, bro. You want to see?
Well, it better be a turbo.
It's not a turbo.
Oh, you asshole. All right, what is it? Come on.
It's something better than a turbo.
Come on, cuz. Let's go check out Dante's drive. I got shoes on my feet, mom.
Something better than a turbo.
Cola, this is a car.
Dun, dun, dun.
Ooh, we got the air filters on. What's going on? Where's the heat shield?
The heat shield is
Where's the heat
actually
shield?
it's in the trunk, but he didn't want to install it because he
Why?
said they never fit.
Just cut them.
So I don't know. It's
You
metal.
gotta have some type of heat shield, bro. Your whole fucking thing's right here, bro. Put your hand right here. Feel this heat.
Oh, that is kind of
The
toasty.
purpose of a cold air intake is for cold air.
Right. I understand. I do have them though. This is what AEW, whatever the fuck, AEM. That's what they sent me.
Slide. No, I'm sure it's supposed to slide like this.
But I don't even know if those brackets are right because
I don't even like it's the right fit, but we can probably adjust it for something.
zip tie it.
But here's the biggest problem, right? Okay, so let's just sit this here. This is your air filter, okay? There's no other filter from this to here, okay? Look at this. You know what that's from, right?
Oil?
Yes.
Okay.
You got oil hitting all here, it's gonna clog this shit up faster than God knows what. Mind you, you don't have a skid plate, so anything you drive over that's dusty and dirty is coming straight into here.
Right.
Granted though, you got a nice filter, so you're not gonna worry
I got a inner fender well, but I gotta get the skid plate because
you gotta get the skid plate.
they said the skid plate didn't fit, and I don't know.
But I'm saying though, you're burning the oil.
Okay.
You dig what I'm saying? You're losing oil. Oil's on this.
Okay.
So what I'm saying to you is having an aftermarket air filter, you got to be careful with that.
Right.
Because it's going to suck that dirt, that air. This will get clogged. If this is clogged, you're going to definitely know it. But you're going to have to make sure you take this out and clean it repeatedly. That's all I'm going to tell you. Other than that, as you can feel right here, that shit's hot. You're blowing in hot air. You're not going to get the performance boost that you think you're going to get.
Right.
That's why I told you get the one.
But I told you earlier that the thing was cracked anyway. And so it's like, I might as well just, do something with it. And it was getting the filters dirty.
Give me a week, and I think I can find a way we can isolate it. Because you got room here to isolate it. There's nothing right here.
Right.
But a washer fluid hose, and on this side is a fucking coolant, fucking radiator joint right there. That's it. We can find a way to block this off and have this isolated. My thing is this though, if we isolate it, there's nowhere for this to get fresh air at.
Right.
That's the problem too.
These don't even like push down. They didn't give me no room to work with.
I'm trying to figure out where the hell would you even get the fresh air at, because you got the wheel joints drawed here.
Yeah, so when I kind of like just put it on, just kind of was like F it, because like I said, the other intakes were just, they were fucked up regardless. So it was like, it was a lose-lose kind of, but like, I don't know.
That's okay. We can work.
But at least now I feel like it at least looks better. I guess it looks like a more
like I said, at
performance.
least if we're blocking the engine block.
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
So if we get something to just stop here and you can just still flow the air through here, through the fan here, you should be fine.
Ta-da! So,
Good job.
do you want to drive to New York and get a bumper?
Tonight?
Yeah.
Fuck it, why not? What bumper we going to go get?
The 2018 Sport bumper, possibly. I don't know, but I'm trying to get this wrapped
You serious?
January 5th.
You serious?
I'm serious. I'm trying to get this wrapped January 5th.
So you want to drive to New York right now?
Yes, possibly, yes.
Alright.
I'm spending my New Year's money. I might as well not do shit New Year's, and no one's doing anything New Year's. So I might as well just get my bumper. Okay, the car is a bit junky from the old parts from my old intake, so I probably should just throw this away. I can't keep clutter, like, cause my trunk is already filled with stuff. I got stuff in the house. I cannot keep all this clutter, so I'm probably just gonna have to throw it away. Yeah, so, and I also have to make room for the bumper. The bumper is probably gonna take up majority of the car. So yeah, let's get rid of this. Kind of hurts though. Kind of hurts me to get rid of this, but yeah, we're gonna have to get rid of this because I cannot keep car parts laying around. Okay, I am officially back home, and I just want to say that the intake does sound very nice coming from the other side. You can hear the engine a lot better. Ride's pretty normal, but I'm just glad I got that out the way, so we can just start moving down the list here and getting some of these car parts on. So pretty much I already know about, like, the hot air and stuff like that. Yeah, it's probably going to get hot air. It's probably not going to give me the performance that like a super performance boost. But I already told you that the box was already cracked, so it was kind of like, it was like a lost cause anyway. So I was just like, why not? It looks better, makes the engine bay looks better. So whatever. Now we got that out the way. I know I was thinking about going to New York to get that bumper. I actually did not end up going, but I still do want that bumper. So I'm gonna figure something out. Either I'm gonna go up there tomorrow or another day, but I'm gonna figure something out because I do want to get a new front bumper before I get it wrapped. And so yeah, and that's pretty much it. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. The AEM, whatever the company is called, the AEM, we'll see how it hold up in like a year and stuff like that. If you keep watching the channel, you'll see. But so far so good. Yeah, no complaints. So, but then I also still have to figure out about the undershield. So, but yeah, once I figure that out, then I'm gonna lower it. After I lower it, I'm gonna get it wrapped. I'm gonna try to get it wrapped on the 5th, which is Friday. So we'll see how that goes. They said they can probably keep my car for like a week. So yeah, and that's pretty much what's going on right now with the car. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Have a good one.